Dear friends, this video is included in group interview question and recommended answers for interview question of construction plant and machinery engineer. This time, we'll talk about recommended reply 4. What are the technical aspects of controlling repair and maintenance expenses of construction equipment? Answers. Controlling repair and maintenance expenses for construction equipment involves several technical aspects, focusing on preventive measures, strategic planning, proactive maintenance practices, data management, effective resource allocation, effective management, and leveraging technology. The key technical aspects are as follows. 1. Preventive maintenance. A. Scheduled inspections. Inspections that are regularly planned aid in spotting any concerns before they develop into significant ones. This entails inspecting hydraulic systems, tires, fluid levels, and other important parts. B. Regular maintenance. Follow the guidelines provided by the manufacturer for routine maintenance. This covers lubricating moving parts, changing filters, and changing oil. C. Lubrication schedules. Maintaining the equipment's lubrication prevents wear and tear on its moving parts and increases its lifespan. D. Component life tracking. Keeping track of the expected life of components and replacing them before they fail can prevent more extensive damage. 2. Predictive maintenance. A. Condition monitoring. Track the state of your equipment in real time with sensors and monitoring systems. Oil analysis, thermography, and vibration analysis are a few examples of this. B. Data analytics. Examine information gathered from devices to identify possible problems and take action before they arise. This can lower unplanned downtime and maintenance expenses. 3. Inventory management. A. Spare parts management. To prevent delays in repairs, maintain an ideal stock of spare parts. Track the use of parts with inventory management software and place new orders as needed. B. Just-in-time inventory. Using techniques like just-in-time inventory to cut expenses while balancing the necessity for spare parts with the expense of keeping inventory. C. Quality parts. To guarantee the durability and dependability of repairs, use original, high-quality parts. 4. Training and skill development. A. Operator training. Educate operators on how to use equipment correctly to reduce wear and tear. Many frequent problems are preventable with proper operation. B. Technician training. Make certain that staff members performing maintenance are knowledgeable on the most recent advancements in technology and repair methods. C. Standard operating procedures, SOPs. SOPs are implemented and enforced to guarantee that equipment is used within the parameters intended for it. 5. Documentation and reporting. A. Maintenance logs. Keep thorough records of all maintenance operations, including dates, the kinds of services rendered, the parts that were changed, and any problems that arose. This makes it easier to keep track of each piece of equipment's performance and maintenance history. B. Service histories. To keep thorough service histories that are readily accessible and examined, use software. C. Reporting. Generating regular reports on equipment performance, maintenance activities, and costs to inform decision-making. 6. Utilizing technology. A. Fleet management systems. Use fleet management software to keep tabs on how often equipment is used, plan maintenance, and effectively handle repairs. B. Asset management software. Using software to manage the lifecycle of equipment, including acquisition, maintenance, and disposal. C. Telematics. Utilize telematics systems to collect information on the location, performance, and usage trends of your equipment. This information can be used to improve overall efficiency and optimize maintenance plans. 7. Cost control measures. A. Budgeting and forecasting. Develop a detailed budget for maintenance and repairs, and use historical data to forecast future expenses. B. Cost-benefit analysis. Conduct cost-benefit evaluations while deciding between repairs and replacements. Establish when it makes more financial sense to replace equipment rather to keep it repaired. 8. Vendor relationships. A. Service contracts. Negotiate service contracts with reliable vendors to ensure timely and cost-effective maintenance services. B. Vendor management. To guarantee reasonable prices and excellent service, keep up positive contacts with service providers and parts suppliers. 9. Continuous improvement. A. Feedback loops. Establish feedback loops to continually assess and improve maintenance practices. Use data and operator feedback to refine maintenance strategies. B. Performance metrics. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as mean time between failures, MTBF, mean time to repair, MTTR, and maintenance cost per operating hour to measure and improve maintenance effectiveness. Construction businesses may efficiently manage repair and maintenance costs by concentrating on these technical issues, which will guarantee that their equipment stays in top condition and save costs in downtime. Friends, we have provided recommended reply for what are the technical aspects of controlling repair and maintenance expenses of construction equipment. If you require a PDF version of the message discussed in this video, kindly leave your name, phone number, and email in the comment box. We will communicate via WhatsApp or email. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel InforMechanizer, which is completely free.